Astro18 here, back with another video. This is walkthrough number 3, and, yeah, I kind of went back and healed my Pokemon. Now we're gonna try and find Herdier. But first... Darn it, Sweet Pop. You know I had you on my team, but still. So I'm not gonna actually leave. There we go, That's nice. And I kind of wanted to be more. So, yeah. Like I said, just one of some Pokemon that I kind of want to eat. Like if I had it on the shop. I definitely, I don't understand how it could beat Bro. But yeah. Okay, let's just hopefully not kill it here. Oh, yeah, good. He endured, so. That means, yeah, I don't know. It's nice. It helped me, actually. Especially when it comes to catching Pokemon, it helps me a lot. I bought some more Pokeballs also. One, two, done. This guy is like not being really nice here. Yeah, everything else I do is just that, unless I use Leader, but that doesn't help anyway. How did you not catch him? Like, seriously. He's right there, on red. Like, the lowest team though, he has 1 HP left. Like, sometimes he might have 2, but this time he has 1 since he endured the hit. Oh my gosh, seriously. Really? I just want you to beat the Pokemon League with me. Thank you. Yes. If you hear me clicking in the background, by the way, when I'm trying to catch Pokemon, sometimes I just like to press buttons and stuff. It makes me feel like I'm awesome at catching Pokemon. No. Nickname you. Let's see what else is in there. I'm married. Okay. Now the next Pokemon we need on the list is gonna be Eevee. You can catch him at... Oh, no. It's Growlithe. You can catch him at the next city we're going to. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Oh, we always level 5. I'll just keep... He's gonna be trained like the whole time now. Until he gets like level 8 or 9. And all he knows is quick attack. I think 1 more level and he learns like reversal or something. Counter maybe, I don't know. I wish normals wasn't really effective against fighting, but that wouldn't really make any sense. Yeah, he knows. I think I should give him, like all the experience he needs, because, yeah, there you go. It's good. Count it. That's what it was. Let me... just switch some moves in, because I kind of like, you know, being quick. No, we're good. Hey, I can give you another lollipop and make it easier if you want one. Which way do we go now? There it is. Okay. Nope, stop following me everywhere. Seriously, wow, I'm just trying to take all the credit and find... Let me see what Pokemon maybe. There's another trainer. I'm definitely grabbing him since I know the only now. There we go, Zero. That's nice. Another Pokemon at level 5, so it's kind of cool. And I counter that. Perfect. Next, just... So when you use stop right with me. No, I need to do that. I really didn't need to do that. Wow. Another one. Okay. There we go. Low level? No. Oh, really? Oh yeah, awesome. With the splash attack. Wow. Just had stuff. I want to see how counter looks in this thing. I think it's just like a punch or something. That's all it really is. See, then I'm going to use quick attack and it doesn't happen. Now she uses bubble. Okay, good. Or heat, whatever it is. Oh, she. There we go. Thank you. What? How'd you fail? Oh, yeah, it has to be physical, not physical attack. That's right. Let's try to catch it now. Sorry if I'm kind of quiet. I'm tired now. Not really, but it's early in the morning.